Marble Caves, Chile. Welcome to another episode of World Wonders. Today, we take you on a journey to one of the most mesmerizing natural wonders of the world, the Marble Caves in Chile. Nestled in the heart of Patagonia, these caves are a true testament to the beauty and power of nature. The history. The Marble Caves, known locally as Cuevas de Mármol, are located in General Carrera Lake in the heart of Chilean Patagonia. These extraordinary formations have evolved over 6,000 years through the erosive action of water. The process began millions of years ago with the formation of the Andes Mountains, where intense pressure and heat transformed limestone into marble. Over thousands of years, rainwater, rich in carbon dioxide, seeped into the marble, dissolving it and creating intricate cave systems. The lake itself was formed during the last ice age as retreating glaciers left behind a vast basin that filled with meltwater. The striking blue hues seen within the caves result from the mineral-rich glacial waters reflecting onto the marble walls, creating an ethereal glow that enchants visitors from around the world. Best time to visit. The best time to visit the Marble Caves in Chile is during the Southern Hemisphere's spring and summer months, from November to March. During this period, the weather is warmer and the waters of General Carrera Lake are calmer, making boat and kayak tours more enjoyable and accessible. Early morning and late afternoon are particularly ideal times to visit, as the soft sunlight enhances the vibrant blue hues and creates mesmerizing reflections inside the caves. This time frame also offers longer daylight hours, allowing visitors to fully appreciate the breathtaking natural beauty of the caves and their surroundings. Why you should visit the Marble Caves in Chile. Unique natural beauty. The Marble Caves offer an unparalleled visual experience with their swirling patterns and vibrant blue hues. The way light reflects off the mineral-rich waters and illuminates the marble walls creates an almost otherworldly ambience that is truly mesmerizing. Geological wonder. Formed over 6,000 years, the Marble Caves are a testament to the power of nature. They provide a fascinating insight into geological processes, showcasing the interplay between water and rock over millennia. Adventure and exploration. Accessing the caves by boat or kayak is an adventure in itself. Navigating through the turquoise waters of General Carrera Lake and exploring the caves up close offers a thrilling and memorable experience. Photographic opportunities. The Marble Caves are a photographer's paradise. The striking contrasts of colors, textures, and the changing light conditions provide endless opportunities for capturing stunning photographs. Serene and remote location. Located in the heart of Patagonia, the caves are surrounded by pristine natural landscapes. The remote location ensures a peaceful and tranquil visit, away from the hustle and bustle of more tourist-heavy destinations. Local culture and hospitality. Visiting the Marble Caves also offers a chance to experience the warmth and hospitality of the local communities in Puerto Rio Tranquilo. Engaging with the locals and learning about their way of life adds depth to the travel experience. Bucket list destination. For nature lovers and adventure seekers, the Marble Caves are a must-visit destination. Their unique beauty and the sense of wonder they evoke make them a standout attraction in South America. By visiting the Marble Caves, you are not just witnessing a natural wonder, but also embarking on a journey that combines adventure, beauty, and serenity. How to get to the Marble Caves. Fly to Santiago, Chile. Your journey to the Marble Caves begins with a flight to Santiago, Chile's capital city. Santiago's International Airport, Arturo Merino Benitez, SCL, is well connected with major cities around the world. Fly to Balmaceda. From Santiago, take a domestic flight to Balmaceda Airport, BBA, which is the nearest airport to the Marble Caves. Several airlines operate daily flights between Santiago and Balmaceda, with a flight duration of approximately 2.5 hours. Drive to Puerto Rio Tranquilo. Once you arrive in Balmaceda, rent a car or take a bus to Puerto Rio Tranquilo, a small town located near the Marble Caves. The drive from Balmaceda to Puerto Rio Tranquilo takes about 4 to 5 hours and covers approximately 220 kilometers, 137 miles. The scenic route along the Carretera Austral, Southern Highway, offers breathtaking views of Patagonia's landscapes. Boat or kayak tour. In Puerto Rio Tranquilo, you can book a boat or kayak tour to the Marble Caves. Several local tour operators offer guided trips to the caves, typically lasting 1 to 2 hours. Boats are the most common and convenient way to reach the caves, but for a more intimate and adventurous experience, you can opt for a kayak tour. Exploring the caves. Once on the water, your guide will navigate through the turquoise waters of General Carrera Lake, taking you up close to the Marble Caves. The best time to visit is in the morning or late afternoon when the sunlight creates stunning reflections and enhances the cave's colors. Tips for the journey. Plan ahead, especially during the peak travel season, November to March. It's advisable to book your flights, accommodation, and tours in advance. Prepare for the weather. Patagonian weather can be unpredictable. Dress in layers and bring waterproof clothing, even in summer. Carry essentials. Bring snacks, water, sunscreen, and a good camera to capture the breathtaking scenery. Respect nature. Follow local guidelines and respect the natural environment to help preserve this unique geological wonder. By following these steps, you can enjoy a seamless and unforgettable journey to the Marble Caves, one of Chile's most stunning natural attractions. The Marble Caves of Chile are a breathtaking reminder of nature's artistry and the power of water and time. If you're a lover of natural wonders, this hidden gem should definitely be on your travel bucket list. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible adventures from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring.